I'm Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today we're going to be talking about how to know if you have adrenal fatigue and how to fix it. First, your adrenal glands are very important glands, part of the endocrine system, which makes hormones. And these glands, they sit on top of your kidneys, and they make very important hormones. They make things like cortisol, which helps us wake up in the morning, a major energy hormone, gives us energy throughout the day. They also make things you're probably more familiar with, like adrenaline and noradrenaline for energy, and they also help us make DHEA, and we can make sex hormones from that. So these glands are very important. They've been nicknamed the stress handling glands and also the wellness glands of the body. And what we've seen is if we can keep these glands healthy, we can keep these glands nourished, and the body can really handle lots of stress, bring you through infection faster, handle better immune response, and just help you with better recovery and repair. And so how do you know if you have adrenal fatigue or hypoadrenia? The common signs are energy problems. And the way they work is your circadian rhythm or your cortisol rhythm is regulated heavily by the endocrine system and your adrenal glands. And you're supposed to get a dump of cortisol in the morning, and that's what wakes you up. Then you're supposed to get another little push of cortisol sometime around lunchtime to help you have that energy to make it through the rest of your day. And then that cortisol rhythm calms down so that you can go into sleep. So if you're having trouble waking up in the morning, that can be a telltale sign of hypoadrenia, adrenal fatigue. And then the notorious 2 o'clock slump is a major indicator for adrenal fatigue and an inability to handle your blood sugar as well. And then a lot of sleeping issues have a lot to do with your cortisol rhythm and the health of your adrenal glands. And we've seen a lot of people that are actually getting another cortisol release right before bedtime, and that makes it really hard to stay asleep or even wake you up because that cortisol is so energetic. And if you have a chronic issue with allergies, or you get the flu every year, or you seem to get sick often, that's usually an indicator that the adrenal glands have become tired. And just an apathetic mood, even mild depression, can be an early sign that you are getting into adrenal fatigue. And then even panic attacks are a major warning sign that the adrenal glands are getting burnt out. And so the question is, how do you recover from that? There are many different things: getting better sleep, reducing amount of sugar, having moderate caffeine intake, managing your stress better. But when the adrenal glands have actually started to weaken in their fatigue, the only way to really get that gland to build back up is through proper nutritional support. And one of the best products I've seen in the last 20 years of practice is a product called Drenamin. Drenamin is a whole food nutritional concentrate, and it has the key B vitamins in there, things like vitamin C complex, a unique product called a nucleoprotein that help to feed the gland and actually build that back up. And there are many different herbal products that do help with energy. We have adaptogens now, things like lithro and ginseng. We have things like licorice, ashwagandha that really help recover the adrenal glands. But to get a gland back where it needs to be, you have to feed it the nutrition that it needs. And so this product is a great food to nourish the adrenal glands, and we get really good results with that. Hey, if you have any of the signs and symptoms that I mentioned with energy issues, sleep problems, immune problems, hormone issues, give our office a call so we can help you take a holistic approach to your health. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.